This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Welcome to the James II model by Wetherington Homes in the Reserve at Cedar Point. Brand new homes tucked inside a beautifully established golf club community. Gorgeous home, tons of flexibility, from the spacious floor plan to carefully curated design options. You'll enjoy how well appointed this home is. Your dining room could be used as a flex space. Open kitchen west/granite counters and huge dining island. LVP flooring included in all models. First floor primary bedroom, plenty of closet space, ceramic tile shower and glass door. Could be 4 to 5 bedrooms. Great design options to truly customize your new home. Master model to be built. July 5, 2024. For more information, review the details below.